The Spectre proves that even timeless brands are embracing intelligent luxury. Philosophy: quiet, intelligent, and sustainable ultra-luxury. Trends in smart luxury cars. AI assistants, cars that talk and learn like digital butlers. Predictive driving, vehicles that anticipate your every move. Sustainability plus luxury, electric power combined with intelligence. Personalization, cars adapting to mood, style, and preferences. The luxury car of 2025 is no longer just driven, it drives with you. By 2030, luxury cars will become fully autonomous, with AI systems capable of real-time learning, emotional intelligence, and even biometric health monitoring. The future of driving will be safer, more personalized, and more luxurious than ever before. Smart luxury cars are not just transportation, they are intelligent companions redefining the meaning of luxury. To be LM Koyelgia KTBH and top electric SUVs of 2025 inches well and classic cars reimagined with modern tech. Smart luxury cars are not just transportation, they are intelligent companions redefining the meaning of luxury. In the past decade, SUVs transformed from family haulers into the ultimate sign of wealth and innovation. Today, ultra-luxury SUVs combine power, elegance, and cutting-edge tech.